Are you a crypto investor looking for the next safe launch that has a better likelihood of being rug-free, scam-free, dump-free? Well, I was introduced to a cool project called the proofplatform.io, and I was introduced to the CEO through a mutual friend, a guy that knows quite a bit about crypto. He seems to be in early on a lot of cool launches. He usually a whale in some projects as well. So I trust his judgment. So I wanted to take a look at this proof platform, and I'm kind of going to go through it with you guys and give you an honest review instead of just a sales pitch. So let's read a little bit about Proof. Let's see, Proof was around in early 2022, so a couple years old. They were previously called Hacker Labs DAO, and then Proof was born out of that project. So when you buy Proof, you can be confident that this project is being built with longevity in mind. I do like that instead of just pop up, try to grab some cash from everyone and go away, rinse and repeat kind of business model. This seems like it was built to help people for a long while and have a real business. Let's see what else. They've been in a mode of weekly launches since the end of August. And their last launch this year was Morph AI, was just launched on December 6th. Today is December 10th, so it's a few days old. It's performing well. It was at a $2 million market cap at the time of me messaging a couple days ago. Their next launch will be the first week in January, since Christmas time is not a recommended launch time due to activity drying up. Yeah, the market's usually kind of chill. During Christmas, people are more focused on family and friends and Christmas than they are trading and sitting behind their computer. Let's see here. Oh, this is cool. So with Proof, 50% of their revenue is shared with stakers. And over the past year, they've shared nearly $800,000 with Proof stakers. That's pretty impressive for a small business. You can track the amount of revenue that they've shared on their staking page, with a leaderboard of projects that are currently earning everyone revenue. Let's see what else here. At its core, Proof is an incubator for high quality utility projects with KYC'd founders and audited hard rug proof contracts. If you want to buy Proof launch projects, make sure you join their Telegram page, which I'll include their website, Telegram page, all that good stuff in the description down below. And if you'd like to automatically be whitelisted and get the early contract address, so AKA be the first buyers of new stuff, you can buy a Proof Pass, and I'll include that link down below too. But I did check that out. It looks like their Proof Passes are all sold out. So that's a good thing. It means they're in high demand and people are actually using this thing. But if you look, they have a link to OpenSeas, and if you check out OpenSeas, they do have some available. They have a few available, the cheapest one being 1.8 ETH. So that shows you the real value of holding one of these passes. Obviously, it's an opportunity for you to get in on real projects early and do well in the crypto space. Not saying that's a guarantee. I'm no financial advisor, and I'm only recently learning of this company just like you guys are. But do your own research always. Not a financial advisor here. Current breakdown of Proof holders. So they have a total supply of 100 million tokens. Of that, 69% were burned. Wow, that's a high percentage. So should have increased demand on the remaining supply. Staked, there's nearly 14% of the token supply staked. That's really impressive considering there's 69% burn. The company is company owned and locked supply 8%. That's good. With other holders, unstaked amount 5.68%. So there's only 5.68% of the supply that is being held by holders and they're not staking it. That is tiny, very impressive. Liquidity pool, they threw 3.11% into it. So obviously a huge percentage of their circulating supply is being staked, which is a testament to the value proposition having tangible value. Yes, of course. So the founder I was introduced to, his name is JP. He fully doxed and has a track record of building successful tech companies. he exited his last company to to a NASDAQ listed household name retailer in the US, Joann. And he sits on the advisory board of Profitwell, which sold to Paddle for $200 million. So it seems like this one's legit, and they're not trying to hide behind any curtain. Take your money and run. These guys are fully doxxed. They put it all out there for everyone to see, and it sounds like they're wanting to, or they don't want to, they did it. They created a platform that protects investors from the scam artists. So what do I like about what I see here? So they're fully vetting all these crypto projects in their incubator process. They're making sure that the contracts are verified and that they can't rug pull on everyone. What else? Most scam artists aren't going to go through this whole process of going through a Launchpad and having someone, check out their coding and make sure the contract's legit. Because they don't want to be called out, and they don't have patience, most of them either. So they just pop things out there, try to amp everybody up, put in some fake buys with bots, and then rug from everyone. So what I like about, as an investor, checking out this proof is that you stand much better odds, because the likelihood of you hitting that, 1000x from random meme coins on Dex Screener is, you have better luck probably hitting the lotto than you would getting that 1000x out of a meme coin. So to me, the safer bet, it might not be as exciting numerically, it might not look that way, but your odds are much higher of getting, a 5-10x. I haven't reviewed every single project these guys have launched, but I'm assuming they're more rational, but your likelihood's way higher. So that means at the end of the day, over the course of a year, your bag should look way better. But again, that's speculation. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm no expert, nor am I your financial advisor. So always do your own research. This is just for entertainment purposes. Check out the website, proofplatform.io. They have their projects listed here. The Proof Pass you can check out, so you could be that VIP and get first access to everything. And then, as I said, OpenSea has some of the NFTs available. That's it, guys. This is Brett, Crypto to Surf. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. It makes a big difference in the algorithm, so I can keep putting out content. You guys have a blessed day.